Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado puree for your 6-month-old baby. First, select a perfectly ripe avocado that feels slightly soft when gently squeezed. Remember to wash it thoroughly before you begin. Then, carefully cut the avocado in half lengthwise and remove the large pit from the center. This ensures a clean start for your baby's meal. Now that your avocado is prepped, it's time to create that smooth puree. Scoop all the soft, green flesh into a clean bowl. You can use a fork to mash it thoroughly, or for an extra smooth texture, use a blender. To achieve the perfect consistency for your little one, gradually add a bit of breast milk or formula until it's just right. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more baby food tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable, even when you're on your feet all day. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your avocado puree is ready, serve a small portion immediately to your baby. For any leftovers, place them in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 1 day. If you're planning ahead, you can freeze individual portions in ice cube trays. Simply pop out a cube and thaw when needed for a quick, nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.